Python, Unicode problem. I am trying to decode a string I took from file. Adding ignore do not really help.
This looks like UTF-16 data. So try. Edit, for your update, try to decode the whole file at once, that is. The problem is that the line breaks in UTF-16 are \n\xoo, but using red lines will split at the \n, leaving the \xoo character for the next line.
This file is a UTF-16 line-coded file, with an initial bomb. Edit. Since you posted 2.7, this is the 2.7 solution. Ignoring undecodable characters.
Password down, click it expand.